कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहा। मैंने इसी से कर रखा है। Yes, everybody is back there.
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
ma'am.
There was some problem with the server. Anyways, so this is minus 19 upon 56. This is okay with everybody. Divyanka and Anushka, you got the answer. And
Yes,
Anya, did
ma'am.
you?
Miss, I'm still solving it.
Okay. I did it for you. You can just look
Okay.
at the solution. The important thing here is
I'm
taking this minus and this minus together and making it a plus.
plus.
Rest of the procedure is same. We took the
Yes.
LCM 56, and dividing 56 by 7 gives us 8. Multiplying that 8 by minus 5 gives us minus 40. Then dividing
Yes.
56 by 8, we get a 7. Multiplying 3 by 7, we get 21. So minus 40 plus 21 will be resulting in minus 19. Now you do this third one.
Yes, I did it.
Okay.
I'm done.
Done.
I'm
So Anya, what
done.
is your answer?
Miss, my one is 3 by 2.
This is a
Same, ma'am.
10
I'm
plus
same.
9 plus 6. So this is 15 upon 10 and it will be reduced to 3 upon 2 dividing 50. Okay. Then fourth. Okay. Do a question. This I'll make you understand. The question is, what number should be added to minus 5 upon 8 so as to get 5 upon 9? Now look at the question. It is saying we are supposed to add something in minus 5 upon 8. We are not sure what to add. So if it is an unknown quantity, let's take it as x. The question, what it is asking what should we add to minus 5 upon 8? So let's suppose we added x to minus 5 upon 8 so that the result is 5 upon 9. Is this okay? You understood it?
Yes.
Mama, answer आ गया.
Just wait, Pita. Let me explain it to Anya first. So we added x to minus 5 upon 8. What we are supposed to calculate? We need to find out this x. What was
Yes,
it which we added to minus 5 upon 8, giving the answer as 5 upon 9? Now, do you know, Anya? See, we need to calculate x. So on
Yes,
one
miss.
side, only x should be there. Rest, all the things should go to the second side. So when we will
Yes.
take minus 5 upon 8 to the second side, 5 upon 9 is here only, it will remain as such. No changes to this 5 upon 9. But when minus 5 upon 8 will move to right hand side from
Miss, it will be
left hand side.
plus.
It will get a change in the sign. So it will become
Yes.
plus 5 upon 8. Now what will be the answer? Taking 9 into 8, that is 72 as the LCM. 5
Yes,
multiplied by 8 is 40 and 5 multiplied by 9 is 45. So resultant is 85 upon 72.
Yes.
Is this the answer you two have got, Divyanka and Anushka?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss, even I got it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. That's good. So whatever is the unknown quantity, just make whatever is the question saying, just make an expression along with that. And then what is the unknown factor? Just calculate it by taking rest of the things to the second side. Okay. Similarly, do another question. Question number 5. What should be subtracted from minus 3 upon 4? See, this time we need to subtract, say, x from minus 3 upon 4 so as to get 5 upon 6.
Miss, I know how to do this one. I'll do it.
Yes, sure. Do it.
Ma'am, done.
Done. Okay. Do the next one also. I'll take the answers all together from all of you.
Ma'am, done.
Good.
It's done.
Done.
Yes.
Okay. First statement I am writing down. Just check with me if it is correct. You did it the same way. Fine. This was the expression made by you also.
Yes, miss.
Okay. So what is the answer? Tell me, Anya.
Miss, I got 19 by 12.
19
Yes,
by
ma'am, same. No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Minus
minus
19 by
19
12.
Yes,
upon
miss,
12.
minus 19. Sorry.
minus 19.
Minus 19. Forgot minus.
Right? Why? Because
Yes.
we'll leave minus x over here and we'll take minus 3 upon 4 to the right hand side, making it equal to 5 upon 6
Yes.
plus 3 upon 4.
Hmm.
Right? So answer will come 19
Yes.
upon 12. But this is minus x is equals to 19 upon 12. We will also send this minus sign over here. So it will become x is equals to minus 19 upon 12. Correct. Okay. Do this question. The sum of two rational numbers is minus 3 upon 5. If one of the numbers is minus 9 upon 20, find the another one. Say the another one is x.
Ma'am, आ गया.
आ गया? Good.
Ma'am, done.
Hmm. So Anushka, what is the answer?
Ma'am,
Done.
Okay.
ma'am, minus 3 upon 20.
Correct.
Yes, ma'am, same.
Same. Everyone?
Yes, miss.
Anya?
Same. Same.
Okay, good. Just check with me once the expression which you formed. Two rational numbers. Say one of them is x, which we are supposed to find out. So x plus minus 3 upon 5 gives us minus 9 upon 20. So we can say this is x minus 3 upon 5 giving us the result minus 9 upon 20. So let's keep x on left hand side and take rest of everything on the right hand side. Minus 9 upon 20 was originally there, so no change in that. But when we'll take minus 3 upon 5 to the right hand side, it will get a plus sign. Fine? This is what you have done?
Yes.
Right, correct. So this should be plus ka 3 upon 20, no?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, जो sum है वो तो 3 upon 5 है minus का.
Yes, miss.
यही बनेगा ना एक्सप्रेशन तो x is equals to this thing only.
नहीं मैम.
Why?
मैम एक नंबर
The
पे
sum is
minus
minus
का
3 upon 5. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I got it. I got it.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking. How come mine plus came?
No, I just as interpreted it incorrectly actually.
No problem.
That is what I thought. Ki it should be a plus answer. How come is it you are giving in negative? Fine. So that number is say x. X added to minus 9 upon 20 gives us minus 3 upon 5. Right. So this is x minus 9 upon 20 giving us the result minus 3 upon 5. Keeping x on the left hand side and taking rest of the things on x on the left hand side and taking everything else on the right hand side. Minus 3 upon 5 was originally there, so no change. When we took minus 9 upon 20 to this sign, it will become with a plus sign. Correct. Result is minus 3 upon 20. Fine. So These were the practice of subtraction. The only thing we need to take care is we have to put a minus sign in between the two things. Second thing, what we need to be careful about it, what thing is getting subtracted. See, the thing which is getting subtracted has to be put with a minus sign. The thing which has to be subtracted has to come later with a negative sign. So that is the only difference in the addition and subtraction. So now I think you are through with this exercise 1.3. In my book, exercise 1.3 have got 15 questions. Just check with yours, Anya.
Yes.
15 questions are there.
Also 15 questions.
Yes. So I think you
Yes.
can do all the questions. To do them, you have 2 days with you, Hannah, and send it to me as soon as you do it so that we can discuss on the doubts on Monday. All right. The next exercise combines both the operations together, plus as well as minus. We'll be having more than 2 terms. Some will be getting added, some will be getting subtracted, and we'll have to take the final answer, right? So we'll move on to the exercise 1.4 on Monday. So right now you can start with exercise 1.3. Fine. Any difficulty up till this part? Anybody? Okay, clear. Divyanka?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of this wallpaper you have put, Divyanka? This is a bunny. No, bear.
Ma'am, cola.
Koala.
Oh, my biology is poor. Huh? Chalo, ठीक है. Okay, Anya, any doubts? I think Anya is not receiving my voice.
Ma'am, my video is paused or stopped.
चलो काम करो, पढ़ाई की बात तो हो गई. मंडे को मिलते हैं दोबारा से. अनुष्का, अब 2 दिन की छुट्टी है, ठीक है? काम कर लेना, है ना? ठीक है. सारे नहीं तो अल्टरनेट क्वेश्चन जरूर करना बेटा, है ना? एक बार रिवीजन हो जाएगा अपना अच्छे से. अपन पढ़ ही रहे तो रिवीजन भी ढंग से हो जाए, ठीक है ना? चलो.
हाँ मैम, आप आज की क्लास को 8:30 कर सकते हो?
क्यों बेटा?
मैम, हम लोग जल्दी खाते तो फिर खाना लेट हो जाता है इसलिए.
तू 15 मिनट और जल्दी खा ले. मम्मा को बोलो, मम्मा 15 मिनट और जल्दी बना दो मुझे खाना, क्योंकि मैंने अगर 8:30 किया तो यहाँ सबका डिनर आधे घंटा लेट हो जाएगा.
मैम, तो आप 8:15 कर सकते हो?
15 मिनट में खा लेगी?
हाँ मैम.
15 मिनट में तो हम डाउट डिस्कस करते हैं, तो साथ साथ में खा लेना, वीडियो ऑफ करके, कैमरा ऑफ करके. ओके?
हाँ ठीक है मैम.
ठीक है.
Miss, I have a doubt.
हाँ अन्या, आस्क.
Miss, like suppose there are three like rational numbers. So we have to subtract them. So you cannot subtract all 3 at once. We have to like do
Yes.
2, like make pair of 2, right?
Yes. So it will never be a question. You will never be asked to subtract 2 values from 1/4. If it is like that, the thing is you need to subtract the sum of, there is a question like this, subtract the sum of 1/4 and 1/7 from 5/3. So what will be that? First we will calculate the sum of 1/4 and 1/7. Whatever will be the sum, that will be subtracted from 5/3. So what you will be doing?
11/28.
First you will be calculating this addition. Whatever will be the result of this addition, that will be subtracted out of 5/3. Got it?
Yes, Miss.
Right? So you will never be asked to subtract 2 things simultaneously from one value. Either it will be an addition of that or it will be some other way.
Okay, Miss.
Right? So just keep on doing
Yes,
the
ma'am.
questions and then we'll see you again on Monday. Fine. Just I think from exercise, the previous exercise, 2 questions we have not discussed. 6th question, 3rd part and 5th part. If there is a doubt in that, Anya, just redo them, Anna, and send it to me.
Okay.
Okay? Chalo.
Okay, Miss.
Bye, bacha. Bye, everybody.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
हाँ.
Bye.
Bye, beta.